Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use stop loss on Webull Easy Method. Open your Webull app or desktop and locate the position you want to protect, then tap or click Trade to begin. Choose Sell and select Stop or Stop Limit depending on whether you want guaranteed execution or price control. Enter your stop price and quantity, review the order, and submit to activate protection on that position. To set a stop order on Webull, open the trade ticket for the stock, choose Sell, and pick Stop or Stop Limit as the order type. Input the stop price that will trigger your order and set the quantity you wish to sell. If you use Stop Limit, add a limit price to control execution price. Otherwise, choose Stop for a market sell when triggered. Confirm and submit the order to protect your position. Good stop-loss practice helps you manage risk while staying in winning trades. Don't set stops so tight that normal price swings knock you out, and avoid arbitrary levels without analysis. Use percentage rules or technical support to choose stops, and consider trailing stops to lock in gains as price moves up. Regularly check your orders and adjust them as your outlook or risk tolerance changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.